Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this countdown animation in two ways. So the first one, I'll just add default text and I'll go to animation and select in and just select the countdown one, and then when it shows this, you're just going to right click create compound clip, and you're just going to delete it when the default text is there. But if you want a longer countdown, maybe starting from 5, you're just going to do it separately and do it one by one. It is super tedious though. Let me just say that right now. I want one of them to be a second, so just split that. Copy and paste. Place 4. Copy and paste. Whoops. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. And just select everything. Right click, create compound clip. Go to animation. Go to video and add in motion blur. And you're just going to, adjust the blur and the blend as well. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!